down low, we hit a pretty nasty curve, and my seatbelt broke. So... You guys, we made it. We made it. Oh my God. Justine, we finally made it. Oh my God, all of these people. People get overwhelmed when they're here.
I don't care. Use your brain. Think. Think. Put on that common sense.
It's too much to see.
Oh my God, look at those fruit. I'm gonna freak out. Oh my God, a balloon. Oh shit. Ew, Frozen sucks.
No, it doesn't.
It sucks.
Have you seen it?
Yes, and I hate it.
Why?
Like, I gag whenever somebody's like, let's go see it. I don't like happy things. They make me sick.
Frozen isn't really happy until the end, though.
Like, my favorite part when is always like when he's like, oh, if only there was someone that loved you. Like, yes. Teach that bitch a lesson.
There it is. The best ride. There's fruit! All right, Justine, how long is our wait? That's it? Oh, okay, bye, Justine. So our 45-minute wait turned into an hour and a half. Good news is we're almost there. The bad news is somebody threw up and it smells terrible. How do I zoom? Do I like turn it or do I like... I don't... Oh, I do. I turn it. Okay. Wow, look at that. No, but Justine, for real? They captured your mom.
Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos!
You're not supposed to tap the glass.
Don't even start!
Hey, would you two keep it down over there? I know. They're so inconsiderate. According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot.
Don't listen to him. Wait, what?
Now we're to fall to the pits.
You didn't understand. We're prisoners.
It's your fault!
Brody will figure it out.
All you away to the ship. What you calling a fat rocket?
I'm gonna help.
So cute. I could watch him all day. And now you can too. But first, you must have clearance. We need to scan your biosigns.
A painless procedure.
And then a simple wave of your hand will be your passport into my inner sanctum. You will be well taken care of.
I want to hit the ultra capable stuff, like me.
Indeed. I apologize for not greeting you in person, but I'm sure I will see you very soon.
Your hand scan will give you clearance, and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by. Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now...
one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Let's shoot this guy! Hearing your insistent slandering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan! What? Of course I escaped! For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on the gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will only work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Okay, raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
So if you couldn't tell from that, or if I edited it out, that whole ride, the Guardians are trapped in that tower, and we have to help Rocket break them out, but his hands don't scan. So right when you're about to drop, they tell you to raise your hands so they scan, and then your hands are up for the whole ride. So super good. Come ride it. Best ride in the park. Okay, well, we made it to Disneyland. I hate it over here, but Justine really wanted to go. So here we are with all the people on Main Street. So there's a lot of them. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me, thank you. So we just came down here to use the restrooms, but I wanted to show you guys, this is what the river looks like now. Ignore the crane, because maybe soon that'll go away. But waterfalls, we got the Indian back up there, and then this will also be the Star Wars Land entrance, just all the way down there. It came out good. So we did it. We got Max Pass. Super easy. Just walked into the park and opened the app and got Fast Passes for Grizzly. So we're gonna go do that right now. I don't trust myself with this camera and the water. So I'll see you when we go. Okay, so we just got off of Grizzly. And Justine and I are so soaked. down low, we hit a pretty nasty curve and my seatbelt broke. So I didn't have a seatbelt for the whole second half of the ride. I didn't fall out. Don't know if they figured it out or not. What did you think, Justine? Show me that hair. So we're in the challenge trail now, and we're gonna see if we can go find that talking Mickey that everybody is freaking out over. Didn't find Mickey. They kicked us out because it's dark. So not sure what we're gonna do. So Christmas miracle. Fast Pass for Guardians just opened up right now, and we were able to get it because of Max Pass. So totally worth it, and we're gonna go do that right now. So my camera battery died, so we're switching to the phone.
Life could be trees if I could take you up the paradise of a bud. You told me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream.
We got lights coming on. Wow. Never seen people get so excited over lights. Alright, well that's that. All the lights are on. We're gonna go do Guardians now. Justine, how was Guardians again?
Well, we didn't get wet on this ride.
We didn't get wet on this ride, you're right. So we finished Guardians, super good, quick wait. And Justine is super hungry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go, I think, to Hungry Bear again.
We're hungry.
And see what they have on the menu over there. What did we get, Justine? Food. Food? Okay, so we got a churro funnel cake, of course. Then I got a chicken sandwich. And then Justine got some kind of wrap thing. I don't know. She's healthy or some shit. So yeah, hopefully it's good. How good was that funnel cake, Justine?
I like it. Was alright.
Oh my god, it was so good.
The best.
Okay. But for real, that funnel cake was so good. So a full train just pulled up into Toontown, and no one got off the train. So they're not letting anybody on the train. Oh, that sucks. Sorry about it.
Where do we get off?
Sorry.
Reserve.
I don't think Justine knows who she's going up against right now.
What?
What's your high score?
I don't know.
You don't know? Really? I've maxed it out before.
Huh?
I've maxed it out before.
Yeah, I'm not good at this.
No? Okay. I'll show you where to shoot. There's hidden targets. There's hidden targets.
I mean, you shoot the targets, yeah, but...
Right, but there's hidden ones that are worth like a lot.
I know.
Where are they? You don't know. We'll get you a score update when we're done.
Maybe. Kind of killing it first.
How'd you do? Super good?
No.
Let's see, here's Justine's. That's good, right?
No.
That's good, Justine. And I did that.
Don't forget to holster those blasters.
Good job.
You're so rude.